Got some upper ball joint boots that are cracked like this. A lot of the time people just replace the whole joint, but if you replace the boot before a bunch of dirt gets up in there, then you can get a lot more life out of the joint. You can't get the boot from Honda anymore, but these polyurethane boots from Energy Suspension 13003 fit just fine. They come in a set of 4, and I've only tried them on the rear so far, but they should fit the front just fine as well. Here's a quick clip of the install.